Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Suwanee, Gwinnett Center. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Near Interstate 85, this motel offers free Wi-Fi and is pet friendly. A cable TV, a small refrigerator, and a microwave are included in each room at Gwinnett Center Motel 6. A telephone is also featured. A snack center and business center are available. Laundry facilities are also offered to all guests. Motel 6 Gwinnett Center. Sky Zone Atlanta is an indoor trampoline park and is a 4 minutes drive away. Gwinnett Medical Center is located 5.8 miles from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.